Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Funky Fresh Gaming coming back with another video for y'all again today. And we're going to be jumping into PUBG. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every day that I make a video. I'm releasing gaming videos every single day. I've really been thinking about getting this new scary game, but to be honest, I'm not one to play scary games by myself. So that's not gonna be fun to play with if it's just me. But yeah, we can always try and play through it and see how I like it, and I hope that y'all would enjoy it at some point too. So hopefully we can get in a good match. I've been regularly having 4 people on a team with me, so I'm not sure why it's only us 2 right now, but if anything, then I'll just talk to y'all. We'll do a single player mission. And it looks like that person just left too, so hey, I'm all about the one-man army, so whatever. Let's see if we can just camp this one out. I'm kind of curious. I bet you we probably could, so that'll be the strategy for today's game. I'll try and add some commentary in there a little bit. Was looking forward to having other people in there, but hey, since it's the one-man team, I really don't have to worry about editing anyone's language out either, so that's always good. And yeah, let's get into it. So where should we go? Let's go somewhere kind of, I think ruins might be a good spot. Let's see if anyone spawns there. Guys, I used to play a lot of Left 4 Dead, so even Left 4 Dead 2. If y'all are interested in me playing Left 4 Dead 2, it's not that fun, but now that I'm streaming, I'm like, might as well try and get some views, you know, whatever. I don't know if there's a lot of Left 4 Dead videos on YouTube anymore, but this will be one of my go-tos, so it's definitely one that I don't mind playing. Doesn't look like there's any other teams around here. It looks like we're pretty safe. I could have spawned like in the worst area because I'm not even sure if there's any weapons over here. So we are about to find out. So let's see what's all over here. It's gonna be a nice little single player action game. Dang, I'm trying to think what the name of that scary game was. Well, there was one called A Way Out, and I'm not sure if y'all are familiar with that one, but that one would be definitely one of the games I'd consider playing. And I know that it's 2-player. I'd like to get start doing some co-op games with my friends, or at least just one of the friends. Also, kind of talking to like maybe a girl to get a girl gamer on here too. Kind of even it out a little bit. That way, y'all just have a nice voice to listen to as well. Even though y'all should be satisfied with my voice, but still, a girl gamer voice would be nice to have on here as well too, on the Funky Fresh Gaming channel. So yeah, we'll get around to it. I'd like to start on Twitch as well, but I don't know. I haven't really messed around with Twitch too much. So my ultimate goal is to get onto sliver.tv. That is the ultimate goal for me. So hopefully, if I can make this channel at least go up, you know, get a few more subs and views, then probably I'll start going to Twitch, and then from Twitch I would imagine I'll probably try and get onto Sliver. I've heard of Mixer. I don't really know that much about Mixer. Y'all might be able to tell me a little bit more about it if y'all want to talk about it. Feel free to. But I am going to be working a little bit more heavier on the channel once it starts to grow a little bit more. But we just got to be patient, because patience is a virtue and it'll pay off eventually. Yeah, if y'all have ever heard of sliver.tv, let me know. Kind of curious. So I'm into cryptocurrency as well, and it is somewhat of a crypto platform that they are using on sliver.tv. So it's powered by the Theta mainnet. Do some research on it. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, ultimately I'd like to get a spot on there. That'd be really nice. You kind of have to like apply for an application to be featured on there. I'm not 100% sure how the whole process works. You have to have like a certain amount of followers or something like that too. But definitely something that I would like to move towards eventually. There's I don't know how many streamers they have on there right now, to be honest, but it's not as competitive as like something like Twitch is and stuff either. But y'all should definitely check it out. So it is starting to rain on us now here in our Castle Cove. Is this right? So I think this one is automatic if I'm not mistaken. There's our level 2. That's what we need. Have to have a house. And maybe even I'll start getting some background music on here for y'all as well. I think that'd be a nice little add-on bonus to the mix as well too. Get some music going, why not, you know. I enjoy listening to music. But sometimes it's kind of hard to strategize if you are listening to music. Also, you want to really be able to hear footsteps too whenever you're playing certain games, like these shooters or like CSGO. Those are really important when it comes to being able to hear footsteps as well too. I'm really waiting for Shenmue to come out. That's like not coming out till the end of 2020, but that would be a fun one to stream once that comes out. I'll be first in line to get it for sure. I've been waiting for it ever since Shenmue 1 on Dreamcast came out, and they said they were releasing a second one, and there's 3 parts to the story, so why not, you know? Should be a fun one to play. So I was playing Roblox with my daughter earlier today. It was pretty fun. So I did some screen recording on my phone with it as well. So hopefully that'd be fun to kind of have her on here, or doing like a screen record of us like playing certain games in Roblox, and then upload them to YouTube. That'd be pretty cool. So let's see here, make this one. Oh, a lot of these same guns are appearing right now. Let's see what I can attach here. Have a 4X, okay. Can do the 4X on there, that's fine. Other than that, there's not much else that I can. Okay. Down some energy drinks, clear some space up. I only have like level 1 backpack right now anyways, so let's see what else. Have to have high hopes for a living. But if y'all be interested in me just live streaming too, I can live stream using the YouTube live stream method, and I think I can also use it with the GeForce experience as well too. So that is an option for sure to be able to use that as well. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the 12 gauge. Let's just go ahead and pop that off the screen. 7.62, we don't have a 45, so 7.62, and then I'm just gonna stack up on my bandages, because we're gonna camp it out, y'all. I think I'm playing. Honestly, I feel like that's one of the best methods on this game. Some people like started cussing me out earlier because they wanted to drop like in the center of the map, or like at a really busy point in the map, and I didn't drop with them there, and they all got killed. And they're like, oh yeah, thanks a lot Funky Fresh, da 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 da. And I'm like, okay, y'all are the ones that are dead right now. Yeah. So, and I actually got a new medal that game too. I upgraded to like a novice player or something like that. I'm still very new at this game, so but also at the same time, I'm not gonna be stupid enough to walk into a spot where there's a bunch of people, you know. It's really just about last man standing, survival of the fittest, you know. that goes with life too. But we won't go into that. So let's see. Life coaching. Funky Fresh offers life coaching for those that are interested. No, just playing. Let's take a look at the map. Oh my. I need to head towards. I need to find a car first. If not, then totally not looking good, because I wish there was a boat. If I had a boat, that'd be awesome. Could totally use a boat. Any boats over here? My 4x scope. Don't see crap, honestly. This is not looking good. I did not notice that I was not inside the circle, so boo-hoo on me, right? Best I can do is just keep running. Hopefully a car will appear, but this is gonna be not fun. Crap. I always forget to pay attention to safe zone as well too, but it's just one of those things you got to keep an eye on. The fact that I do have an energy drink and I'm running makes it a little bit easier, but I got a long distance to run. But I do have bandages, so hopefully not that much further. It's still a little ways out. Maybe I'll find something around the school area, some type of car or something. Here, helicopter. I mean, an airplane. So, let's see. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can get updated every time that I make a video. But we're gonna survive this because I'm a fast runner on the screen and off the screen, so we're definitely gonna make it there. Most definitely. Just can't really scavenge right now. Can't loot out any places. Oh yeah, by the way, I do run a crypto channel. If y'all are interested in that, I can leave y'all some info on it, or the channel that I run in the description box or something like that. But first, let me just know if y'all are interested in cryptocurrency or whatever, because I run a crypto channel as well. So, but yeah, we're getting there right now. That's why I'm really interested in getting onto Sliver.tv. That would be a pretty freaking cool streaming platform to get on for sure. But until then, we're sticking with YouTube and Twitch, maybe, and maybe Mixer. We'll see if I can get onto those platforms as well. I know there's DLive, but not I don't know. I don't know a lot about DLive either. It's doing some more research on it just to figure out exactly how to work it, basically. I do have a Twitch account, but I don't really get on it that much, so I just have to use it a little bit more. Oh man, I'm losing life quick. Losing life quick. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find anything. It's not really looking like it. Usually there's always a car or something that appears right before me. I should probably heal up. Let's see if I can do this in time to get a little bit further. I got 24 bandages. That's really good. Can I keep walking while I'm doing this? Then maybe down an energy drink. Dang, I can't believe there's no cars. I think I have enough bandages to get over there, so it should be okay. I don't even really have a chance to like look around at cars right now, but I guess I could. I think we'll make it though. Should be okay. You gotta have high hopes for a living. Yeah, we're almost there, y'all. If I can get up into these hills too, that would probably make a good difference as well. Getting some higher altitude, do some sniping out on some people as well. Can you believe that I just literally ran across the whole map and I'm talking to y'all still? That is crazy. I still have enough breath to say the words that I need to say. Incredible. And we are right there, ladies and gents. Let's go ahead and heal up before we get into too much chaotic areas. See, I'm trying to find a good spot for us to go to. Maybe somewhere like, I'm thinking right here. Well, we're gonna have to really get inside the circle because it's about to start closing. Phase 2 is about to begin and I'm still gonna be running. Alright. Don't stop running, just keep running. Run, Forrest, run. I think that's the way I'm gonna title this video, Run, Forrest, Run, because we ran across the whole entire map, yo. That's crazy. Had enough bandages to survive. And I'm a one-man team over here. And I'm hearing gunshots. Great. And I need to heal. And the phase just began. Actually, if I can just get inside the circle, then I can heal without being taking damage too much. So. I should probably use the first aid kit first, but it's alright. Just use up all the bandages real quick. Damn, look at that arm. His arm looking. He just keeps wrapping the same arm too. Okay, let's run. Here we go. Yeah, but the scary games, oof. Just can't play them by myself, man. They're just hard to play by myself. That's the only thing. Just so hard to play by myself, so can't really worry about playing them. Eek. It's like scary to think about that too. But I do have my audience. If I was live streaming it, I would probably do it. So that kind of like makes me like want to get on Twitch to like live stream it so that I would have a few more like people there to hold my hand. No, I'm just playing. But like, yeah, sometimes them games are just crazy. Talking about crazy stuff in there. Ooh, I hear some firing over there. I'm gonna try and get over to these hills first though. Maybe like right here. I'm not sure exactly Looks like there's hills over there, but it's so foggy. Is that a... Oh, I think someone's shooting at me. That is a car. And someone's firing over here. Someone's got a silencer. I'm gonna get into these hills first. Well, I could probably camp it out up here though. In this one. Get some shots fired in there. Because I want to say they're in these houses right down here. There's a bike, okay. I think we got signs of them. They know I was there. They could tell I was there. I saw that truck run off over here. I'm gonna try and just get as high as I can though real quick into the hills as possible. I'm gonna camp it out in here. Oh, we're not in the circle just yet. If I could find something inside this circle, that would be nice. Maybe right here. Watch, I'm gonna catch them coming over this way here in a little bit. Coming over the hills here probably. Oh, here we go. I think they're coming over the hills. I would imagine a lot of them are here. They're already over here. So I could probably head right there. Because I don't really see much. Or I wait here until they pass. And then once they pass, I unload on them. Unload on them. Yeah, they're all over there. Kind of want to start moving up here in the hills, yeah. Yeah, because I have a feeling they're up here. It's all good. We're okay. We're okay. They're on my ass right now. Wait for them to peek. Wait for them to peek. Let me go ahead and heal. I just thought about that too. You know, I could probably hang out like right here in this little crevice. They probably can't see me here. I don't think they could. Someone's having fun. And this is how you win, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show y'all how to get a chicken dinner real quick with being a one-man team and saying run Forrest run. Quite literally. Oh, I hear them all right. They're right there. Dude, this is gonna be crazy. Watch me get this. Is it closing in yet? It's not closing in yet, so they still have some time. Yeah, even if I try and shoot this way, it's gonna get blocked, so the most they would have to do is probably come really far in front of me or just pass, and yeah. Like that. Like that, ladies and gents. Did I get a kill? I didn't get the kill though. It's okay. Because we're about to get him again. Yeah, because they're going to walk past and not see me. I don't know how I missed that kill. Almost had it. It's all good. They still don't know where I'm at, so they're really confused right now. They're probably just all scattered around right now. But now I know that guy's over there. He could turn back this way and know that I'm right here, but we're going to wait to see what he does. Map's still closing in just a tad bit. And I can't really move too much right now. Oh, they're right on top of me. And I can't shoot shit. I feel like my mouse is dead right now. I think my mouse just went out. What luck do I have, y'all? What kind of luck is this? There we go. We're still gonna win. We're still gonna win. I think my mouse battery is about to die. Literally, if I get a chicken dinner, one-man army this, I'm gonna be like so freaking shocked. I feel like I should have stayed where I'm at, but I don't know for sure. Just gonna stay crouched really low. and then hopefully find my way into the circle, and hopefully my mouse will stop messing up on me and cause me to play the game at least, and hopefully I don't die. But there, I'm outside of play zone and I died. Second left. Look at that. And also because my stupid mouse. Congratulations. Just cost me a game, you freaking mouse. You just cost me a game. A chicken dinner, literally. I would have had the chicken dinner. Can't believe that. So selfish of you, mouse. So selfish. Oh, they were all behind me anyways. Well, no, they were all in front of me, actually. Let's see where they were at. Yeah, they were all in front of me on the map. They were like one. It was just one team, too. All on the same team. And I died. Alright, y'all. Thanks for coming back to the channel. That was fun. But this is literally how you have to win PUBG sometimes, is just by camping. I feel like that's sometimes the best strategy. I don't know why my mouse glitched out. That was really weird. But hey, it happens. Second place, whatever. I'll settle for that. Tell me what y'all thought about that. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every time that I make a video. And with that being said, Funky Fresh Gaming is signing out. See y'all next time.